Hey, let me show you the fingerprint scanner test on the Nothing Phone 2A. So I just got this default foil, I didn't remove it, so it will be also some kind of the additional test for this, if it is actually really reliable and is actually reading my fingerprint correctly. So let's start. Let's see how it works, and maybe we can try to make that 10 tries. As you can see, we can even unlock it from the completely locked screen, so the icon is still visible. When I put my finger here, I can see the highlight, so it means that the device is actually unlocking. I can also do this from the lock screen widget screen, and as you can see, it works pretty fast. There's like no any delay. I'm touching the sensor and it is actually unlocking my phone. It's reading my fingerprint pretty nice. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.